Garage Update 19. Over the past 2 weeks or so, we got the second floor windows in. We got all the outside siding, fascia, and soffit up. It's definitely been easier to put up the siding in the rear with the 2x4 scaffolding up. The garage door is all wrapped in aluminum and has brick mold around it. Before windows and soffit, after windows and soffit. Siding's halfway up the front and side. Siding's done. I don't know if you can tell by the way I'm moving the camera, but I'm really starting to get excited now that you can see the windows in and the siding in place. My neighbor does seamless gutters, so I ordered a continuous gutter for the front and rear. Oh yeah, look at that corner.